Dear student, how are you? Came so in last lecture we discussed physical property. Now in once again physical property, boiling point and melting point, chloromethane, bromomethane and iodomethane with increasing in atomic mass. Boiling point increases, atomic mass increase થાય, size of molecule increases, number of electron increases, molecular mass increases. Due to that, van der Waals attraction increases, boiling point increases. Now, with increasing in number of halogens, you can see molecular mass increases. With increasing in number of carbon, also boiling point increases. Here halogen is the same, but number of carbon are different. So with number of carbon, with number of halogens, or with increasing in molecular mass, boiling point increases. We have discussed in last lecture. Today we are going in the boiling point of isomeric, the boiling point of isomeric haloalkanes, not haloaride, haloalkanes. Degrees is with increase in branching. It means number of branch increase થાય એટલે boiling point decreases. We are taking example C4H9Br, molecular formula having 3 isomers. First of all, 1 bromobutane. Now 2 bromobutane, and third one 2 bromo 2 methyl propane, 2 bromo 2 methyl propane. Here all the 3 isomers having molecular formula same, but this one is linear. Hydrogen we are not considering as a branch. Functional group we are considering as a branch. Here is one branch, you can see here is 2, methyl and bromo. With increasing in branch, molecular mass same of all the 3, formula same, but branching increases and boiling point decreases. So boiling point in Kelvin for 1 bromobutane is 375 Kelvin, highest out of 3. 364 here, and here is only 346 Kelvin. So you can see why this happens. I am telling you, 1 bromobutane is actually linear. It has no any branch. Surface area is huge here. So intermolecular attraction should be very high. The બે molecules વચ્ચે van der Waals attraction એકદમ high થઈ જાય. So boiling point is high. Boiling point means when we evaporates at particular temperature, that is called boiling point. It converts into its vapor. So here one branch. So due to one branch surface area decreases then linear, and two molecules are far from each other. It is not close like this. So attraction is less. So easily evaporates. Here two branches. So you can see surface area is highest. Here surface area is less. Here is also less. So attraction between two molecules here is very less. Very less. And molecules are far from each other. Due to that, when increasing in branching, whenever, listen and store in your mind, molecular mass increases, then boiling point increases. Whenever molecular mass same, formula same, so in that case we have to follow this rule. Molecular formula same હોય તો branching increase થાય તો boiling point decrease થાય છે. Now next point, boiling point of isomeric dihalobenzenes are very nearly means same, nearly the same. Boiling point of isomeric dihalobenzenes are very nearly same. Dihalobenzene. However, para isomers are high melting than as compared to their ortho and meta isomers. Why? It is due to symmetric structure, symmetry of para isomers that fits in crystal structure. It is very fitted, better as compared to ortho and para. Sorry, ortho and meta. I am giving you example. 1,2 dichlorobenzene. Suppose 1,4 dichlorobenzene. Then 1,2 dichlorobenzene. Last meta 1,3 dichlorobenzene. Here boiling point and melting point in Kelvin given. Boiling point is near about same, but melting point is highest of para due to attraction. 453 Kelvin of your boiling point is of 453 of the ortho. Yes. and in case of meta it is 446. In para it is the 448. So you can see boiling point is near about same. ત્રણેયનો boiling point same છે, but melting point is highest of para 323 Kelvin. Yes, on ortho it is 256 and meta it is 249. Why? In the solid state, para is symmetric. It appears both sides same when we draw a single line. It is symmetric. Both sides appear same. સરખું દેખાય? So here carbon is positive, chlorine negative. It is a great attraction toward each other. And in solid state, fitted very tightly, bonded. So melting point is high. In meta, it is very low. Why? This is not symmetrical. Both sides same nothing. So molecules are far from each other. Here is the ortho, slightly closer than meta. Here is very close. So melting point is very high of the solid હોય ત્યારે બધા પાર્ટિકલ્સ એટલા બધા ક્લોઝ છે, મોલેક્યુલ્સ કે ઇન્ટરેક્શન હાઈ છે. આમાં લો છે, અહીંયા એનાથી પણ લો છે in solid state. Now one more physical property of haloalkane is density, and we know density means mass upon volume. Next one, density. Density is equal to mass upon volume. With increasing in mass, density increases. Yes, bromo, iodo and polychloro compounds. Bromo, not chloro, bromoalkane, iodoalkane and polychloro, not monochloro, compounds of hydrocarbon are dense, heavier than water. Dense means more density than water. Actually density of water is 1 gram per milliliter. The density increases with increase in the number of carbon atoms, halogen atoms and molecular mass. Yes, molecular mass increase થાય, halogen atom increase થાય, carbon number atom increase થાય, so density increases. In our book table number 10.3 is given some comparison. C3H7Cl means normal propyl chloride, 3 carbon and in last chlorine, 1 chloropropane. Density in gram per milliliter is 0. Less than 1, 0.89. So you can see monochloroalkane having less density than water. But in the case of 1 bromopropane, density is 1.335. Now in the case of 1 iodopropane, it is 1.747. You can see number of carbon same here, but molecular mass, atomic mass of bromine is higher than chlorine, of iodine is higher than chlorine bromine. So here density means mass upon volume. Here volume increases and mass also increases, but increasing in volume karta increasing in mass is more. So density gradually increases. If number of carbon is same, but number of halogen increases, so density also increases. By here number of carbon 2, here 3, here 4, molecular mass increases, size increase by mass, size karta mass more increases, so density increases 1.336. So polychloro compound having more density than water, but monochloro compound have less density. In this case, here increase once again 1.489 and 1.595 in carbon tetrachloride. Now what about solubility? Last physical property of haloalkane is the solubility. Now solubility, density over here. Now solubility. What is the solubility? Dissolving nature of haloalkane is called solubility, nothing else. Haloalkane partially soluble into water. The haloalkanes are only very slightly soluble into water. Very slightly soluble into water. In order for a haloalkanes to dissolve in water, energy is required. In order for a haloalkanes to dissolve in water, energy is required. Energy required. Haloalkane water ma very less soluble. We have to give heat, so it can dissolve. Energy is required for dissolution. Required to overcome the attraction between the haloalkane molecules and between molecule of water. Yes. Less energy required when new attraction are set up between the halogen and less energy is released, and less energy released when haloalkane attracts toward water. So solubility of haloalkanes are very less. You can see in the haloalkane, suppose we are taking chloromethane. So here chloromethane has a great attraction, polar attraction. In the water, we know there is a hydrogen bonding. So we have to break first two types of bond. We have to apply energy to break bond between haloalkane and bond break between water and water. Then after new attraction occurs between water and haloalkane. But this attraction is very less than these two. haloalkane વચ્ચેનું attraction water તો strong hydrogen bonding છે એટલું attraction અહીંયા હોતું નથી. So solubility is very less. However, haloalkanes tends to dissolve in organic solvent. But haloalkanes easily dissolves into organic solvents. Why? Reason for that, in the haloalkane and organic solvent acetone is it has a similar attraction between acetone attraction between haloalkane is similar with acetone and haloalkane. So it easily dissolves into organic solvent. Understood? Now here our point about solubility over. Now question is given in a book 10.6. Arrange most time question. This type of question is asked many times in the exams. This completed. Understood? Now our property over here. Physical property over here of haloalkanes. Which property we discussed? Boiling point, melting point, solubility and density. Now 10.6 question. Arrange each set of compounds in order of increasing boiling points. Understood? So first one is bromomethane. Bromomethane is given. Bromoform is given. Then chloromethane and dibromomethane. First we have to draw formula of it. In bromomethane CH3Br, in bromoform CHBr3, chloromethane means CH3Cl, dibromomethane CH2Cl2. First of all, I am giving you trick. You have to count molecular mass. Carbon 12, 3 hydrogen 3, bromine 80. So here is 95, carbon 12, hydrogen 1, 83 jar 240 plus 13. So 253 molecular mass here 12 plus 3 plus 35.5. So 50.5. Here is 12 plus 2 plus 35.5 2 times. So 71 plus 2 plus 12. So here is 85. So now compare our molecular mass. Compare our molecular mass. So which one having lower CH3Cl? So it is a less boiling point. Understood? Now then dichloromethane. Here is mistake. 71 plus 2 plus 12. 85. So here our answer is check your answer from the molecular mass. Chloromethane first, then bromomethane, then dibromomethane, yes, then bromomethane, then after dibromomethane, there is dibromomethane, sorry. So 82 ja 160. 174, sorry. Molecular mass lowest as a chloromethane, then after bromomethane, then dibromomethane, and tribromomethane as the highest. Like this we have to solve. Now second one, isopropyl chloride. Second question is asked, arrange in increasing order of boiling point. Second, first one isopropyl chloride, then 1 chloropropane and 1 chlorobutane. So tell me, first we have to draw structure. In the isopropyl chloride, 1 chlorine is a branch. In 1 chloropropane, there is no any branch, linear. In 1 chlorobutane, which is also linear. So out of 3, which one has more molecular mass? 1 chlorobutane. Here both possesses same molecular mass. આ બેનો molecular mass same થાય કારણ કે molecular formula same C3H7Cl. So in the molecular mass and formula same, so we have to check branches. So here is one branch, here is linear. જ્યારે molecular mass same હોય ત્યારે branches વાળાનો boiling point less હોય. So isopropyl chloride has the lowest boiling point, then more of 1 chloropropane, and then after 1 chlorobutane. Here number of carbon increases. આ બેમાં molecular mass same હતું. આ molecular mass I છે. molecular mass same હોય તો branches જોવાનું. branches વધારે, molecular boiling point less. Understood? Now then after we are going to solve reaction of haloalkanes. Yes, come to the point, most IMP. Yes, we are going to reaction of haloalkane. Reaction of haloalkane. Actually, haloalkane gives 3 type of reactions. The reaction of haloalkanes reaction of haloalkanes may be divided into the following categories. There are three categories. One by one we are going to discuss. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. Second one, elimination reactions. Elimination reactions. And third one, reaction with metals. Category wise it is three. What is nucleophilic? Yes. In the haloalkane we know carbon is partially positive, halogen is partially negative, electronegativity of halogen is high, so electron between them is attracted toward halogen. આ partially negative છે, આ partially positive છે. Any species which is negatively charged or having capacity to donate electron pair, એટલે કાં સ્પીસીસ નેગેટિવ ચાર્જ હોય, કાં ઇલેક્ટ્રોન ડેન્સિટી વધારે હોય, ડોનેટ કરે, તો this part attracts toward positive charge carbon, that is called the nucleus. This is nucleophile, એટલે positive charge carbon ઉપર attack કરશે. So halogen will be replaced by nucleophile, that is called nucleophilic substitution. The one group or atom will be replaced by another entered group. So that is the nucleophilic substitution. This is nucleophile. Attacks on carbon, which is nucleus. એની પર એટેક કરશે, halogen remove થઈ જશે. What is elimination? In bromomethane we are adding alcoholic KOH. So here potassium with bromine releases as a carrier. OH with hydrogen releases as H2O. And both have now 1 valency remaining. एक bond बाकी रहશે. So occurs double bond, that is elimination.